Welcome to Zoomers RV. My name is Ben, and today we're going to go over what comes in the silver starter kit. First things first, you get a 12-inch 30 to 110 adapter, plugs into a 30 amp cord on your unit so you can plug into your house. 2 wheel chocks, put these behind the wheels, prevents rolling, sliding when you're parked. RV toilet paper, kind of self-explanatory. Water regulator, this goes in between the unit and the water hose itself to regulate the pressure that goes into your unit. RV dump gloves, 1 25-foot water hose, 2 bio pouches that go in your black tank to help keep everything sanitary. 90-degree fitting for your sewer hose, and it comes with 2 10-foot sewer hoses. So this is what comes in the silver starter kit here at Zoomers.